Hello everyone, Daniel here with the Pedal Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I'm going to be bringing y'all a full unboxing of my new 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike that I picked up from Alibaba. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. The first rectangle box that was shown in the video was the bike frame itself, along with the back wheel and the motor, and all of these boxes are everything else, such as the forks. I got some spare tires, the front tire, the battery, and all of the accessories as well. I'm going to be doing a full in-depth review on this e-bike here for you all, and I'm also going to be unboxing everything one by one, and we're going to be taking a close-up look at everything that comes to assemble this e-bike so we can really be acquainted by the end of this video. I just want to reiterate for you all, if you have any questions at all at any point throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I'm going to do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I don't know exactly what this part is right here, but we will go ahead and unwrap that here shortly. Here are the pedals up close. I'm still not entirely sure what this metal plate is for right here, so if you know what this is used for on the Stealth Bomber e-bike, drop it in the comment section down below and let me know. It did come with some screws as well, so again, I'm not entirely sure what this is for exact. However, it was included. This is the dirt bike seat. I ended up picking up the dirt bike seat as well as the regular bike seat when I picked up this e-bike. It does seem like a decent quality build from first impressions. I will let you all know over the time that I have it. I will let you all know how everything holds up on the bike as well. But at initial impressions, at first view here, it does look like a decently built seat here. Allow me to show you the entire seat up close here. So there we have one of the seats, and again, that's a dirt bike seat. Everything that came in the first box was this dirt bike seat, the pedals, and this panel right here. We're moving on to the second box now. Taking a close-up look here at the second box. Right now, we are unboxing the back light here. And this is the rear view light for the 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber. It also came with some extra screws here. Let's take a close-up look at the light here. I'm going to show you the wires as well. Just to reiterate for y'all, I'm going to be making a full in-depth review on how I go about assembling, so I'll show you how these wires are hooked up in the assembly video, but for now we're going to stick to the unboxing. In this box right here, we have the charger. As you can see, this is the charger for the Stealth Bomber e-bike. This charger does have some sort of like built-in fan to keep all of the inner components cool, which is something that I've never seen on a charger. So this seems like a more heavier duty charger. I'm not entirely sure what these little bags are with these fuses and whatnot. I'm not entirely sure what these are right here. However, they are included. I will be showing you every single component here that we unboxed close up. So if you have any questions, yet again, please feel free to drop them below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. So all in all, after using this charger, it does seem like a decent to good charger. I mean, it did the job. It did charge my bike all the way to 100. So the charger does work. Here we have the post for the bike seat. So this is what's going to connect to the bike, and then the seat will be mounted to the top of this post right here. And that is the bike seat post, and this is for the standard bike seat, and this is the bike seat itself. Now it is a decent bike seat. It's not the best, it's not the most comfortablest, however it definitely does do the job and it does work. And it was very affordable through the Alibaba store that I went through as well, so I went ahead and I picked that up just so that way I could have the option to alternate between the dirt bike and the standard bicycle seat. Moving on to the next part of this unboxing here, it does look as though we have some fenders. These fenders here are plastic. They're not made of metal or anything, so they're not like an ultra high quality or anything like that. They're just a simple plastic fender here. As you can see, they don't feel really cheap and they don't feel like the best fenders, but they do feel usable. I'll say that much. So these right here are the front and rear fender. This one's the front fender that I'm looking at, if I am correct. The one that we looked at previously was the rear. The next part up here is going to be the front fork, and allow me to show you that up close here as well. Here we have a KKE front fork, and after first initial impressions of this fork, it does have some weight and it does feel like a good quality build. Allow me to show you the KKE fork up close here. That right there is the front KKE fork that will come with the 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike. And let's go ahead and now move on to the next part of this unboxing. And the next part of this unboxing is going to be this box right here, which contains the front wheel of the 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike. To be exact, this is a 19-inch front tire and it is equipped with a disc brake. Allow me to move this foam here so that I can show you this wheel up close here. One thing that I want to point out is when I use the term good quality here in this video or on my channel, I'm referring to it from a more calmer state of mind when it comes to riding. So for me personally, I got the 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike to go ahead and ride, to do more of like distance riding rather than wheeling and off-roading and stuff like that. So for me, I do feel like this is all good quality because again, I'm going to be riding on the roads. I'm going to be moving moderately. I'm not going to be overspeeding or pushing those motors or anything like that. So from the standpoint of smooth riding, these components do seem like a good quality. And in this box right here, we have the spares with some inner tubings and some linings right there. From my research, it's been a little tough to actually get a specific 19-inch wheel tailored to the size bike that I have. So I went ahead and I picked up some spare tires from the manufacturer where I got the bike, just so that way I could have them ready for when I need them, not if I need them. For me, when I'm riding, I always have the mindset of it's a matter of when we get a flat, not if. So I went ahead and I picked up some spare tires. The next part of this bike unboxing here that we are going to be unboxing is the battery. One thing I'm not entirely sure of, if this battery specific is like a high-end battery or if it's like even a name brand battery. I don't think it is, because I didn't recognize any reputable logos or brand names on the battery specific. However, from my initial experience with it, it is performing, it is doing its job. I haven't experienced anything adverse with it. Please keep in mind though, I'm going to be updating you all on the performance and behavior of this Stealth Bomber e-bike throughout the time of me having it, so be sure to stick around for that. This right here is the front of the battery. I will go ahead and let you all read what's on the front here. Feel free to pause the video so that way you can go ahead and thoroughly read this on your end, should you choose to do so. Next up, we are going to be unboxing the actual frame and back motorized wheel of the bike right here. And this is the seat area right here. This looks to be the handlebars. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it all with you all here as well. I personally found it far more easier to lay the e-bike down and then remove the box like so, as you see me doing here. This kind of just worked out better for me. To each their own though. So here we have the back motorized wheel, as you can see right there, equipped with the disc brake. We have the frame, the body there, with the handlebars sitting up top. And we're actually going to unbox all of this and take a really good look at everything here as well. For this part right here, we're going to be unwrapping the handlebars. And I want to reiterate, I know I've said this several times throughout this video, but if you have any questions, please feel free to drop them below and I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I got my bike equipped with the UKC1 colored display, as you can see right here. This right here is the frame, the main frame of the body. This is where the controller lives and where the battery goes inside. In a moment here, I will show you what the inside of the e-bike looks like for those who are curious. And just to confirm, I am going to be making a full assembly video on this bike as well, so be sure to stick around for that. Here is half of the e-bike standing right here. I've also done an unboxing on that stand for those who are curious. Allow me to show you the back motor up close right here. I've literally just unboxed it at this point, so forgive me for all of the styrofoam debris right there. I will be diving more into all of these specs and all of the specifics of this bike and any modifications that I do in another video, as I'm going to be making an in-depth review on this bike. And this is what the inside of the body looks like. As you can see, there is wires everywhere. It did come with some adhesive tape to go ahead and soften up areas where I'm going to place the battery down. As you can see, the controller is up top right there. One of my favorite things about the bike that I got is that it requires keys to go ahead and start. So I have to put a key in the ignition and then turn the bike on. That's the only way to get the bike on, which is something that I'm a personal fan of and that I love. That right there is a full unboxing of my new 8,000 watt Stealth Bomber e-bike from Alibaba. Now, if you have any questions about anything that you saw throughout this video, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment below and I'm going to do my best to guide you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as this YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Yet again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will bring more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.